Standard NXT controller firmware upgrade. The following how-to video explains how to upgrade the firmware on a standard NXT controller. When you run the Doors.net installer, you will see an application requirements window, and this window will inform you of which firmware revision is required for the version of Doors.net you are installing. The required firmware revision will also be displayed in the live events grid. When using standard NXT controllers, it is not possible to use outdated firmware. The following steps assume that you have already added the NXT controller to the Doors.net software. So from within Doors.net, go to Setup, Hardware Setup, and then the All tab, and you will see the NXT gateway listed at the top of the hardware tree, and any controllers will be listed beneath the gateway. So select the NXT controller, then click on the firmware upgrade icon, and the firmware upgrade screen will appear. The NXT controller will appear along with its current firmware revision. Select the controller or controllers that need to be upgraded, select the new firmware file, then click the Apply button. A task verification window appears, so click Yes to this. Then a green progress bar will appear on the right hand side of the selected controller, indicating the progress of the firmware upgrade. Note that the progress bar will initially reach 80% very quickly, and then will appear to stall. Be patient until it reaches 100%. When it's displaying 100%, the firmware upgrade is complete. And the new firmware version will then be displayed. You can now close the firmware upgrade screen, and the NXT controller is now updated and ready to use. Thank you for watching.